everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! Oh my goodness, you guys, you know it's a good day when you get a pink bag in the mail from Mary at Banger Beauty. Oh my goodness, I haven't even opened this. I'm going to open it on camera. Thank you so much, Mary, for sending me this. I'm so excited. I knew this was coming, and I gotta check out what she sent me. Oh, I know it's all summer. I know it's all summer. Okay. We've got some good stuff in here. If you have not checked out Banger Beauty by Mary, you are in for a treat. I'm going to put the link to her website below. I'm just going to unpack everything. And little card here. Yay! You are the heart of my business. Thank you so much. Okay, are you ready? First up, we have Whipped and Tipsy. Check it out. Now, there's two products here. One is the Banga Butter, which is an amazing body butter. I'm going to open these. She always seals everything so well. I'm going to pull this off here. And what is in this one? This one is key lime, orange blossom, and vanilla cream, a sweet citrusy cocktail vibe. You ready? Oh my gosh, you know what? This is so good. I love key lime. I gotta say, key lime is like one of my favorite scents. However, I gotta say, some people add a little bit too much like crust in it. This is like key lime without that heaviness. It's a really light whipped and tipsy. Yeah, I would definitely call it whipped. I'm gonna do a little mist on here. Yeah, I like this. It's funny. I'm getting a little bit more of the crust in here, but it's not like that sour milk smell. Sometimes you get, you know, like with Berry Waffle Cone from Bath & Body Works, you get that undertone. This one is just light and airy and limey. This is actually really good. I like this one. This would be great on a summer day. So, yay. Okay. Loving that one. The next one, ooh, this one's called Main Squeeze. I'm guessing this is orange. I haven't done the scent notes yet, but here we go. This one is pink grapefruit and clementine. Juicy, bright, and bursting with citrus energy. Okay, you ready? Oh, this is really good. Okay, you're getting that really tart grapefruit. But then the clementine cuts nicely through, and it's just beautiful. I gotta say, I'm really liking this one. It's orange and grapefruit mixed together. I like a good grapefruit scent. We haven't seen a lot of grapefruits lately, so that's a good one. Okay, and the final one is Beach Babe. Beach Babe is, let me see here. Pull this off. Okay, this one is white linen. Oh, this has got Letty's name all over it. White linen, sunrise, and soft musk. It's clean, cozy, and beachy fresh. Remember Beach Blanket? I think that's what it was called from Bath & Body Works. Oh my gosh, this is actually really good. I was a little nervous about this one because you guys know how I feel about linen scents, but you know what? This is actually really nice. Oh my gosh, Mary, you did a great job on this one. Oh wait, this is different. This is Passion Pop. Hold on. I'm going a little backwards here. Okay, let me try some of this on. Yeah, so, this kind of just smells like a beach towel straight out of the dryer, but you're not getting that heavy linen. You're not getting anything that is like a cleaning product. That's actually good. Okay, Beach Babe. Okay. And then I have Passion Pop. Passion Pop is passion fruit, pomegranate, and amber Fruity, exotic, and warm. I can smell this one. Oh my gosh, percolating. This one is really good. Oh my gosh, you know what this is? This is a spicy summer. It's funny because I usually don't associate like spicy with summer, but I think Mary, you've done something new. It's weird. It's like a really fun, spicy. Oh, Tangelo's in here too. It's warm. It's exotic. This is a really good like evening. You're going out. This is a good scent. I like this one. It's fruity and spicy and warm. Ooh, that smells good. Oh, these are nice. Okay. Oh, here's Beach Babe. What am I doing? I'm all over the place. Let me spray some Beach Babe on. I'm getting too excited here. Oh yeah, Beach Babe is nice. Oh my gosh, this is just relaxing. Oh. Yes, thumbs up for Beach Babe. Okay. Yay! Okay, those are amazing. And then she also sent me, check it out. I think I know what this is. Oh yeah. This is the Orange Creamsicle Kiss. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this smells just like an orange creamsicle. I'm just going to swatch this on here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is actually orange creamsicle. Look at that. Very beautiful shine. And orange creamsicle. I love orange creamsicle. All of this, I think, is available now on the site. I know I saw the orange creamsicle. Check out Banger Beauty by Mary. Get some stuff. Thank you so much for sending me this. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.